Hello, welcome to ANS Solver. This is the fifth question of the paper. So now I need to find the exact coordinates of the stationary point of the curve where y equals to e raised to minus half x and multiplied by 2x plus 5. So now the word stationary point, okay, should give you the indication that the gradient, which is the dy by dx, okay, is equal to 0, because in a stationary point the gradient is equal to 0. Okay, that means for that I need to first calculate my dy by dx, for which I'll use something called as the product rule. Okay, why the product rule? Because e raised to minus half x is multiplied into 2x plus 5. An entity is multiplied by another entity and we are differentiating it, so we use the product rule. So I write my u basically as e raised to minus half x, and I write my v basically as 2x plus 5. So I calculate my u dash, which is the differentiation of e raised to minus half x. So the differentiation of e is the same, which is e raised to minus half x, but because of the chain rule we multiply this by the differentiation of minus half x, which is minus half. So I can simply write this as minus half into e raised to minus half x. Okay, got it? Now I get v dash, which is the differentiation of 2x plus 5, which is simply 2. So now my formula of my product rule is simply uv dash plus vu dash. So u into v dash is simply 2 into e raised to minus half x, plus vu dash is simply minus half e raised to minus half x into x into 2x plus 5. I know this is equal to 0 because I told you in a stationary point the dy by dx is always equal to 0, correct? So now what I can simply do is I can write this as 2 e raised to minus half x minus half e raised to minus half x into 2x plus 5, which is equal to 0. Now I can simply take e raised to minus half x common, which can be written as 2 minus half into 2x plus 5, which I know is equal to 0. So now I can write this as e raised to minus half x, okay, equals to 0, or let me write it like this. I can write this as e raised to minus half x equals to 0, or 2 minus, I can take the half inside, okay, I can take the minus half inside to simply get minus x, okay, minus 5 by 2, which is equal to 0. Agreed? So now what I can simply do is, I know if I take this into account, I simply need to log both sides. So I'll get, ln, because of the e, there will be ln. So I'll get ln e raised to minus half x equals to ln 0. Now I know log of 0 isn't possible, so I simply cancel this off, correct? I'll never get the value of x with this root, okay? Because log of 0 isn't possible. Now 2 minus 5 by 2 will give me minus half minus x, okay, simply, which is equal to 0. So I'll get basically my x as minus half, okay, which is basically the value of x. But now I need the coordinates here, correct? That means the x and y both. So I know my equation, which is y equals to e raised to minus half x, correct, into 2x plus 5. Now if I put the value of x here in the place of x here, I'll get my respective y value. So I can simply write this as e raised to minus half into minus half into 2 into minus half plus 5. Okay, so I can simply write this as y equals to e raised to 1 by 4. Okay, here I can simply get this, so I'll get minus 1 plus 5. Agreed? So I get my y basically as 4 e raised to 1 by 4. Got it? The exact value, we need the exact value, so we can't give it in decimals. Okay? So I simply write this as, I know my x is minus half. So I'll write this as minus half, comma, 4 e raised to 1 by 4. It is the final answer of the question.